How to export a car from Dubai to Africa. Welcome to Falcon's GT Motors. In this video, we'll guide you step by step. Step 1. Choose the right car by visiting our website and social media accounts. Step 2. Get in touch with our sales team. Step 3. Choose and finalize the vehicle. Step 4. Check import regulations in your country and requirement documents. Each African country has different import regulations. Be sure to check customs duties, taxes. Don't worry, our salesman can help with this. Step 5. Pay for the vehicle and shipping. Once you confirm the car and documents, make the payment by choosing one of our payment methods. Step 6. Shipping and tracking. Most shipments take 2 to 5 weeks depending on the country. If you need help with the full process, Falcon's GT Motors is here to guide you from A to Z. Contact us via WhatsApp, call, or visit our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.